DLP Manipur leader MLA Kaisham Meghachandra strongly criticized the upcoming Manipur Legislative Assembly session. He stated that holding only 3 sittings ignores the public and the opposition. The Business Advisory Committee (BAC) met today at 1:30 p.m. to finalize the schedule for the 8th session of the 12th Assembly starting September 2. Speaking to reporters outside the Assembly, Meghachandra raised several critical state issues. These include public demands for an NRC update before census, rehabilitation of displaced persons, Indo-Myanmar border fencing and land disputes, and broader law and order concerns. He argued that a 3-day session is grossly inadequate to address these matters, calling it a blow to democracy. Consequently, the Congress party submitted a formal letter of dissent during the BAC meeting. Meanwhile, an Assembly Secretariat notification confirmed the session will run from September 2 to September 7, with sittings held on September 2, 3 and 7.
Opposition haibase yabidaba haibase ikai khumnabidaba haibase masi democracy gi wan thokleitaba democracy gi asigumba artha thoktaba amani maramasina masi khoigi democracy si masi danger oiba parliamentary system se masi dadi opposition ki voice haibasi ikai khumnabadabani amasu tabi ragya masi ki discussion debate mayam singsi parja gi leiriba even the cry hojik leiriba niti gi nong makangdana community sing khana chainaba mayam singse khana neinaba se chakneba aduna house masina jo aroibo oiraba yai aroibo oiraga to session sidasu mayam sigi leiriba parja singna pamiba mayam sing khana neina haudragadi assembly session kawbagi artha thokte maramasina masigi session ko kawje praja gi voice kai khumnadabani opposition ki voice kai khumnadaba